This is Business Spotlight.
We're back at Solé Medical Spa. We're going to teach you how to get rid of those wrinkles. We're going to talk to Dr. Prashalo. He is going to help you look better than you've ever looked. It's just one phone call away.
Today we're going to talk about fillers, but the kind of fillers that we use for specific problem areas. So we've talked about other fillers that really volumize, lift, and restore the curves to your face, but now we have a range of fillers that can work in specific areas. For example, some people worry about the lines and the creases under the eyes. Great fillers that we can use there. And also a whole new product line of fillers that work for the lips to kind of give back volume, to sharpen up this line, this border here. You know how often when you put on lipstick you get a little bleed through there? We can correct all that and lift up your lips and just give them that extra little bit of pop. The product that I really am enjoying lately for lips is something called Restylane Silk. It's new to the market in the United States, but I've used it a lot, and it really gives a very natural restoration to your lips, helps turn these lines up, gives a very nice effect, gives the kind of projection and the kind of look that you want to have with your lips. So I'd like you to come down, do a free consult, let us show you the whole range of products that we have, and you can choose the product that's right for you.
So the great staff here at Solé Medical Spa will have you looking your best. Go ahead and fill in those lines and wrinkles and get those movie star lips right here at Solé Medical Spa.
At Solé, we're celebrating Valentine's Day all month. Get fuller, more kissable lips with Restylane Silk and save 20%. Also save 20% on ThermiSmooth packages to build collagen for beautiful eyes. Call or visit solemedspa.com.